Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two drones, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, having a good camera is essential. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take high-quality photos and videos. Plus, with FPV transmission, you can even see the sky through a live video feed on your smartphone app. On the other hand, the drone features a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture what's in front or below the drone. Both drones offer great camera capabilities, but the drone takes a slight edge here with its higher resolution. Longer flight time means more fun in the air. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, each providing up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to enjoy extended flying sessions without interruption. Similarly, the drone offers two batteries as well, giving you up to 24 minutes of flying experience. It's a close call, but the drone takes a slight lead in terms of flight time. Now let's talk about the additional features that enhance your drone flying experience. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone offers 3D flips and waypoints flight, allowing you to perform impressive aerial stunts and draw flight courses on your smartphone. It also has voice control and gesture selfie capabilities, making it a great choice for capturing amazing selfies. On the other hand, the drone offers features like altitude hold, 3D flip headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. It also supports voice control for a hands-free flying experience. Both drones offer a range of exciting features, so it depends on your personal preferences. Price is always an important factor to consider when making a purchase. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is priced at $69, while the drone comes in at $62. Both drones offer great value for their respective prices, but if you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly option, the drone might be the way to go. Overall, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the drone have received positive reviews from customers. Here are the sentiments from online reviews. And that wraps up our comparison between the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so make sure to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the best deals on these drones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.